6 times tables. Six times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 11 is 66. 6 times 12 is 72.
Let's get ready to skip count.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Well done.
Let's go behind the scenes.
Hello.
Alright, who we got here?
Jackson and Addie and Tyler.
Oh, we've covered Tyler. What are we doing today?
We're doing the 6 times table.
The 6 times tables. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, who's first?
Me.
Okay, sit down, Tyler. Addie, you gotta turn the chair. No,
6
Tyler, turn the chair
times
around.
1 is 6. Is 6.
Oh dear. Addie, you need to get off my lap.
6 times 2 is
Okay.
12.
You ready?
Yeah.
You just gotta read off the screen.
6 times 1 is 6. 6
It's Tyler's turn.
times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24.
Addie, your turn. Go. To the microphone.
6
What does it say on the screen?
times 6.
Come on, 6.
6.
Do you want me to go back?
Yes.
Did you do it?
Mommy, but I don't know where's the screen. I just did.
Yeah.
No.
Was it this one?
No.
This one?
It is that one.
Yeah, you did that one.
No. Yeah, this one's 30.
Okay.
You
that one.
already did 30.
Yeah, you already did 30.
I did it.
Okay, here. We can do it again.
6 times 5 is 30.
You happy now?
I heard you say it.
Alright, do you know what's a picture of this? What's this one? What's that?
A rainbow.
That's a rainbow. So what's this one? What do we have pictures of?
Gold.
A pot of gold. Do you know why we chose a pot of gold?
Yes. Because the rainbow gives us a pot of gold.
Have you ever found a pot of gold at the end of a rainbow?
No.
Do you want to?
No. Yes.
Do you think we should try and look for a pot of gold?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you think we'll find it?
No.
You don't? So thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Look out for our next video.
Look out for our next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Click on the links to check out our other videos.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe for more videos.